It's Sunday morning, November 11, 2018, 8:30 a.m. Pacific time. Wind's supposed to be 28 miles per hour, and I don't have a way to measure it, but you can see the flag across Route 95 in Cal-Nev-Ari, Nevada. 15 miles south of Searchlight. Winds have been blowing since 6 this morning, because that's the time we got up. Probably hear the wind in the background. Let's zoom in on a palm tree out there. The wind doesn't stop. It slows down, but it doesn't stop, doesn't pause. We got here last Sunday, so in this week it's been 3 days of this kind of wind. We did have a pause break in the wind yesterday. It didn't stop, but you barely felt it. Just gonna let the video go for a little bit longer till the next blast comes in. Here it comes. Back over to the flags. Wind's coming out of the north. And that building in the mirror is the Cal-Nev-Ari Community Center. We're open 4 days a week. If you want to get a picture of Patsy standing by this cactus, for some reason they cropped the top. Alright, so there's a recording of the wind here at Cal-Nev-Ari, Nevada. It's the first 3 letters of the 3 states. That's it.